mad. So we got us a 40 footer. They said 42,000 pounds. Looks like it's resting on the axle. I'm gonna park right here, walk around and see what's the best angle to tackle it. Well, if I didn't know any better, it seems like these 50-pound airlines were holding it in. Just kidding. The good thing is he didn't rip these. A lot of times these things fall over or they like they ripped your airline. Let's not try to stand too close to it, Josh. Yeah, this is pretty cake. I mean, not to brag, but I mean, when you got a 50-ton rotator, most jobs are. I am going to use my rim sling, my container slings on this one. And I think because it's leaning this way, I don't want my truck here in the event that falls over. That landing gear's holding, and it's been here a minute, so I don't think it will, but just in case. So where I'm at is fine actually. I'm gonna get a parallel to this container on this side, and let's throw my boom out and over. I lied. The tractor's on the other side, and for him to get out easier, it's best for me to be on this side. Plus the container's leaning on this side, so I want to be stronger here. I parked far enough so in the event this falls, it's gonna land right here. I measured it. So absolute worst case scenario. Worst case scenario is during the rigging process, it falls on my outriggers, not my truck. Alright, today's method is going to be shackles with my super sick new container slings. I'll just throw that in there for now. These are rated for like 34,000 in a basket. The shackles are 17-ton. Container weight, they said, is 42 to 44,000, so I'm perfect. Now, there's no way to eliminate all risk on a job like this. In my line of work, you're always gonna have some risk. So I'm gonna rig the holes from down here. That way, in the event it does fall over, I'm in front of the container, not on either side of it. So let's do this quick. Show you how cool these container slings are. You throw this in here, and yeah, they look ripped, but they're not. That's the design. They said this is where they terminate, so it's just like excess. It looks weird, I know, but they're awesome. Now this protective coating will protect the strap inside. They're meant for these container hole pockets that can be corroded, rusted, jagged. And look how easy and quick it is to set up. So once I do that, I open up my shackle that's already attached. I'll put this in here. Both of these like this. And boom. Very easy. I love it. And then we do the same for the other side. Let's see if this is a pretty good angle. Now I'm gonna tuck in on the blue more, put a little bit of tension on it, and I'm a little overextended in the middle. Doing that because I don't want it to swing into my truck. Let's go in with the blue. There we go, there we go. Look at that. Bulky, strong girl. Oh, I also disconnected all the lines. Oh, look at that. Conteneros. Give them a follow on Instagram, man. They got some great content. Alright. I can start going up again. See why I'm over? If my boom was more in the middle, as I pick up here, it would want to swing. I'm airborn. This sucker's mine and I'm going anywhere. Do a walk around. Very good lift, Hulk. Around perfect. Well, that landing gear held very well, man. I see them break all the time and buckle under the immense weight. Looking good. I'm gonna wait for the tractor to pull out and then the yard goes to back in. Oh, there he goes. You can see up there those rims, I keep calling them rim slings. The container slings worked amazing. Now I'm gonna back up, homeboy. Nice and hot today in Long Beach. Standing in the shade. Hey bro, remember you don't have to get it perfect. Once you get it very close, I can pick up, swing, and rotate, okay? Just get it as close as you can. As close as you can. Go forward, go forward. Go left. All right, stop. Oh wow, this is at a horrible angle. I'm gonna have to pick up and tuck in, so. Let's see. Try that. Let's see if it worked. Back it in. Hold it. Oh, I can't see. All right, let's see. Back up, back up. Go, 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 go. Perfect. Good job. Thank you. Good job, brother.
Man, you got a dangerous job, man. I respect you, man.
Thank you, bro.
Be careful out there, man.
Shoot, you guys too, man. I pick you guys up when you flip all the time.
Yeah.
Trucking's crazy, man.
Yeah.
Let's get my ladder now. Now that it's upright, I can put my ladder in the back and climb. And we're up on the container. Fun part of putting everything away, which means a job well done. Super dope equipment. I got the slings custom made from Bailey's Towing Accessories. I'll drop a link in the description. You guys do rotator work or heavy wrecker work, these things are the real deal, man. Been putting them to the test. Lightweight, so easy to set up. I love my container links, and I still will use them regularly, but these are also a great new option. Lightweight, you just slide it through, truck's put away. Another job well done. Gonna put Hulk away, make my invoice, and I'm out of here. Putting away the truck is super simple. It's just a matter of those slings going back where they go on my shackles. That's it. Really delicate, hard job, made easy with the right equipment. The beauty about using this rotator, man, if the camera picked it up well, even though it was dark under there, is he's at a horrible angle, and without having to shoot an airline and messing with all kinds of stuff, I'm able to, like a claw machine, just do move it inch by inch until I can get it in, get the kingpin to lock. Oh, here comes the boring part of putting this back. I'm out of here, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed.